If you sell spreadsheets worldwide, you might want to watch this video. If you have a bookkeeping spreadsheet or any type of spreadsheet that contains currency inside, set the currency to the country that you are creating your spreadsheet from, right? So in this case, I'm in the US, my spreadsheet is set for dollars. But I have clients in the UK, for example, they might want to display results in pounds. Stay tuned. I'm going to show you two ways that you can change the currency in your spreadsheet so you can accommodate their needs. Our spreadsheet is set as dollar by default because of our location. So if you go here and on settings, you can change your location in here. So if you change to UK, you will see that, for example, here the default currency is dollar because we're set for the US. But if you change it here, settings, the United Kingdom, say you click save and reload, now you will see that this is going to be the pound. But then to change this, you're also going to need to change, just do the format, number, and then accounting. Now that is going to be in pounds. However, to change that, you also need to change the date. Like, for example, in here, how you enter. Because if you enter 1/20/24, now because you changed the location to the UK, it's no longer month, day, and year. So here it's saying that this is not a valid date. So if you do 21/24, which is now January 20, now it is accepted as a valid date. So just know that that's an option that they can go ahead and change. And then they can select here, format, number, accounting. Now everything is in pounds. Okay, and their numbers are going to be counted in pounds. Now, if you don't want them to go to the trouble of changing the spreadsheet settings, there's another way. So let me undo everything. So we're back to our original spreadsheet. I'm gonna change my settings back to the US. And another way, which I personally don't like, is to add a separate column in here. So for example, let's use the August as example. Just right click, insert column to the left, and then you're gonna add a drop down. So let me go ahead, let's click no show this. Let's create a drop down here with the currencies. Then we're gonna put a dollar. I'm gonna put a pound. I need the pound sign. Hold on. All right. So let's enter that here. So you created a drop down with the different currencies, right? So you have two currencies here, and you can select them here. Now keep in mind that this is just like the symbol, just like an image, basically, of the symbol. It doesn't really necessarily count as a currency. But then here you're going to reduce this, and then here you're going to click equal and whatever selection is in here. So then just make sure you lock this because you are referring to that cell and that cell only, and then you can click and drag it down. So now it's going to be showing as pounds. And then here, the only thing you're gonna have to remove this dollar from here, and all you gotta do is go to format, number, and then you're going to put just a number, and you can remove the extra, you can add decimals or remove them. I'll leave this here to count the cents also. So now let's go ahead and enter income transactions for August. So income, and then remember we're still in the US, so it's going to be month, day, and year. Right, 24. We're going to select this, and we're going to put 1,000. And now you have the 1,000 showing over here, and then you have the pound. If you want to change this back to dollar, Now it's going to be showing dollar. So that's an option. You can edit your spreadsheet to to include this. For this one, it would be okay because these are automatic, right? The user won't be like editing any of this. But if, for example, if it was something that, this would be like entered manually, like here, let's go here. So let's do the same for this one. I'm gonna insert the column left here, and now the currency, I wanna again to refer to that first drop down that we created. Let's click OK and lock it, and you can drag it down. And then we're going to change this to number. Okay, so now you have this. So then here you can see that there's like, it's separated by, we have like the borders. You can just do this and then remove all borders, and then you make this one border. Make it that, it's lighter. There we go. So then, it looks like it's like one field. And then if you go ahead and change this to pound, now this will be showing pound as well. So you can just do this. And then now here, this is why I don't like to use this. If you don't want this to show, if this is empty, you can just change the formula to equal, hold on, Max. Okay, I'll be right there. Equal if, if it's, hey, when does that? So if F7 equals 0 or blank, then it's going to be blank. If not, it's going to be this. Just click OK. So then you can just drag this down, and now it won't show, but if you add this here, it will show. Now I don't like this because, when you want to delete this, you're gonna have to protect the cells because there's formula. You don't want them deleting it. So then you're gonna go here, right click, view more cell actions, protect the range, and then you're going to set the protection to show a warning. And then you can go like this. So when you try to edit, it will give you the warning. Now, if I wanted to clear the whole thing, it won't let me because that specific column is protected. So then they will have to clear this first and then clear this area, right? And this is why I don't like to use it. But that's an option, if you want to give the people from other countries, an option to display their own currency. Right, and then all you gotta do is just repeat everything. And also don't forget, because you have a chart in here, you also need to change wherever this is feeding from. So if you don't know where this information is coming from, you can just click here, edit chart, and then you will see it's pulling the data from this range. And you can just Control-C, and then you can put it over here. And now it's showing. Now it's not showing because it's hiding. So just unhide this. And now you see this over here. And then this means that you're going to have to also either add, actually it's not going to work for the chart, I don't think. So for the chart, all you got to do is change this to numbers only. So format number, just put number. And then the chart will show numbers. It won't be showing as currency. Does it make sense? Because I don't think you can add this column plus the value on the chart. So that's a downside to that. And then if they want it showing, then they would have to go to the natives, and then go to settings, and then change it to their location. All right, I hope that helps.